welcome back to my channel. If you're new on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn your notification bell on to get notified every time I put up a new post. As for my old subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support that you've been showing me, and I don't take you guys for granted. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I achieve an everyday glam makeup look. It's a very simple makeup look, and I hope you're gonna get informed, get to learn something from the video, and also enjoy the video as well. So let's get into this video. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because sometimes eyebrows can be a real struggle when you're trying to do one of them or both of them. You just don't want to cooperate, so I decided to do them off camera. Yeah, and I love how they turned out. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my L.A Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Warm Honey, and put that on my eyelids. Then I'll blend it out. Then next I'm gonna take my Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder. It's in the shade 340. That's Cappuccino. I'm gonna use that to set my eyelids, and I'm still gonna use the same brush that I used to blend out the concealer. It's a fluffy brush. I'm gonna use to set that to set the concealer. The reason I'm doing this is so that my under eyes, the reason I'm doing this is because my eyelids normally crease if I don't do this, because I have hooded eyes, so I have to set with a powder to avoid any creases in the course of the day. So I went ahead and put eyeliner on my left hand eye, and also I put on some lashes. The next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a primer, and I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Hydrating primer. Next, I'm gonna go in with my L.A Girl Pro Concealer. It's in the shade Fawn, and I'm gonna use it to go over my dark spots before I go in with my foundation. I just sprayed my beauty blender with some setting spray and just go over it, over the concealer, and just blend it out on my skin. Next, I'll be using my Revlon Colorstay foundation in the shade Carob. And then I'll just go over it, blend out the foundation into my skin using a fluffy brush. I did go in with my concealer first as well, because the first reason I used it was to cover up my blemishes, and also because I want a much fuller coverage. So if you don't have a full coverage foundation like myself, you can just go in with a concealer first to cover your blemishes, blend out the concealer, and I would advise a lighter I would advise a light concealer, 1 shade or 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Blend it out and then go in now with your foundation. That way you're gonna have a fuller coverage as opposed to using the foundation by itself. Going with a beauty blender to blend out the foundation on my hairline. And to evenly blend out the rest of my foundation on my skin, so that it's not too much. Next up, I'll use the L.A Girl Pro Concealer. It's in the shade Toffee to highlight. And I'm just gonna go over that with the same beauty blender I used to blend out my foundation. Next up, I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the concealer on the parts that I've highlighted. And then next, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Academy Bronze and Sculpt Contour Kit to warm up my cheekbones and my forehead and the jawlines as well. Next, using my Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder in the shade 340 or Cappuccino, I'm just gonna go over and blend all the powder that I've used, the setting powder and the bronzer. And then next we're gonna highlight, and I'm gonna use my Canvas Cosmetics highlight from their Glambition edition collection. This is how it looks. is how little the amount I've taken for my nose, and look at how see. Next, I'm gonna go in with my lipstick, and I'm gonna use the Canvas Cosmetics Boss Lady shade. To brighten up this look. Then next up, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Superstay Setting Spray to seal everything up. So thank you guys for staying tuned and watching this glam everyday look that I just created. I hope you learned something, and I hope you can be able to recreate this look as well. It's a bit different from the previous look I done about a simple everyday makeup look, because this one we have a pop of colors. There's definitely some more glow on my face, and also added on some eyelashes to make my eyes pop out a bit. And I hope you loved it and enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn your notification bell on to get notified every time I put up a new post. And don't forget to show some love on this video by giving it a thumbs up and also leaving a comment on the comment section. Every product that I use on my face today, I'm gonna list them down on the description box, so don't forget to hit that as well and check every product that I used. And until my next one, I love you all, my babies. Bye.